Hit me, baby, one more time. All right, today we're going to go ahead and hit you with some stocks regarding Britney Spears. So what would Britney Spears go ahead and invest in or trade? Or at least let's check out our playlist and see what kind of stocks make sense for that playlist. So there's some news, I guess, regarding some stuff coming out with her documentary. Personal life aside, again, that's not my thing. But let's see what stocks could be related to Britney Spears. So first thing that comes to my mind is Hit Me Baby One More Time. So let's hit some of those things. And I think hit related, probably Peloton. Peloton, this stock's been going down lately after that pandemic. We've been kind of going down in a spiraling. I guess it got hit pretty hard. And we're coming into some support right now around that $6-7 range. And we've got some action on the daily, but we'll see if it can hold. So this could be a little bit of a dangerous move right here if you're trying to, look into the stock. The other thing that kind of comes into my mind is Planet Fitness. This one kind of relates to the Stronger song, if you ever heard of it. Pretty good song. Stronger. So if you want to get stronger, Planet Fitness would be the way to go. But unfortunately, the volume really sucks on this one lately. So what we've got is a lot of downward move. This happened after earnings. So this one is toast. I'd say gone. And grab your peanut butter jelly. All right. And then the other thing, if you're trying to get a little bit lucky, Las Vegas Sands. Go to the casino. Las Vegas Sands would be the way to go. Volume's been picking up. It's been moving to the upside pretty good, pretty stable. A little pullback recently. If it can hold this support, that would be a good spot. The downside to this is the other casino, Win, big boy, is going down right here, and volume sucks. So that volume is moving against it and breaking down. So we are near the highs. I mean, this thing just exploded. It was very lucky. And now we're pulling back. So a little pullback, probably to about an 80 range or level could work out. And then we could have a bounce or stability. But just want to keep an eye on after a pullback. Might be interesting. Next one. I don't know if you ever heard the song Break the Ice by Britney. It's pretty good. It's got a little bit of a good tone, but I don't think it made some popularity. Anyway, that song makes me think about Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola has been fairly stable here recently. We've got a resistance right around 64, 65 level, and it's been going sideways. If you're doing the iron condors or that kind of thing, that could be a nice spot or play. So moved up quite a bit, sideways action, possible further move to the upside. Looks good as long as we could get a good volume breakout. That's kind of what we would be looking for. But from the weekly chart, double top, maybe. So watch out. Be a little careful here because we are toppy a little bit in the market overall. And finally, last one for Britney, I'd say you drive me crazy. Drive me crazy after all of these stocks. So if we look at it, what do we got? We got Tesla. Man, this stock. Tesla pulling back. Crazy right here. Downward, downward, downward. Little bounce, still going downward. Little stability recently around the 170 level, but the earnings didn't do well for this stock. If you take a look at Ford, this one also kind of compressing, but I think valuation wise, this one's pretty good at around that $11 range because we've got some stability on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, we're still kind of, that $11 range. We're still a little off of that, but support-wise, it looks pretty good. And then you got General Motors here as well. They look very similar. As you can see, these car companies, they're kind of all in that range. So if you're looking for a drive, Tesla, Ford, and GM, I'd say Ford is kind of holding kind of the best stability for now, if it can hold the 11. The problem with Ford is we've got an increase in selling pressure right here, which is not good. So be careful. It might drive you crazy. All right. So that's all I got for you for now. Enjoy the week ahead, and I'll see you in the next video.